Our expectations were exceeded by Panoramic. The installation was smooth and very quick. Des Whiten, I'm chairman of the Village Hall Committee, who looks after and maintains this wonderful hall. The hall was built in 1928, so it's coming up for its 100th anniversary. This was built as a hub for the village to meet and socialise, and has been used in that way ever since. It's a feature of the village, and we wanted to preserve that. The windows had to be a like for like in effect with what was there originally. We had metal windows, single glazed, which were letting out a tremendous amount of heat. So we were looking at double glazing options. We contacted several local firms. Panoramic were the first ones to suggest metal frame double glazing, which matched the current windows, but obviously gave that energy efficiency. We're very pleased with the result of the installation. The windows look exactly the same as they used to, but they're much more energy efficient. Panoramic, as a company, excellent service. James, their main salesman, was very attentive. The hoops that we put him through, I'm surprised he didn't give up on us. He answered all our questions. He was brilliant. Panoramic were very professional. They came out, they had a look around the building, they talked to us, and they were very respectful. They looked at the building, they measured it up, and went away to give us perfect quotes. Oh, certainly I'd recommend Panoramic to other prospective village halls, if not anybody. As chairman of the whole committee, I've been in place for coming up to 10 years now. It's nice from my point of view to think that in my tenure of office, I've looked after the hall well.